Akirekereria ndumiriri ya ica ikuhi ya rurenda rwa gutherema kwa murimu wa COVID-19, munini wa ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Mercy Mwangangi
Okay, so good afternoon.
Oigite ati namba ya andu aria magwatitio murimu uyu guku bururi-ini yambatirite nginyagia andu 31, no kiria kiragegia thirikari ni uria gicunji kia Akenya kirathie na mbere na kuringa itheru murimu uyu.
Out of the 74 samples, we have received confirmation of 3 people who have tested positive for coronavirus disease. This brings the total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Kenya to 31.
Akenya aria macokete guku bururi-ini ica-ini ikuhi na magirire gukorwo mari keheri-ini makoretwo makiagarara mawatho na mitaratara ya mundu gukorwo ari keheri-ini. Kwa muhiano, munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Kilifi, afi eri, umwe wa mwena wa Utawala na ungi wa kaunti ya Kitui na andu angi mwena wa Murang'a kwirikana ati ni mehithite niguo matigathie keheri-ini ni undu uria utumite thirikari yambiririe gwiciria kurumarumia mawatho na mitaratara ya guikara keheri-ini.
Despite putting in place instructions, Kenyans have not been adhering to this. We have reports coming in that people are still congregating in clubs, in restaurants. We have reports coming in that people are holding house parties. That is still not social distancing.
Potentially, of course, reinfection is possible if you come into contact with another COVID case. So even if you are released from treatment or from quarantine, you are still required to follow the infection prevention control measures just like any other person.
Thutha wa gavana wa kaunti ya Kakamega Wycliffe Oparanya kwanirira ati kaunti yake ni yandikithitie murwaru umwe wina murimu uyu, thirikari itheretie na kuga ati ucio ni murwaru wa tene na ndagiriire kuongererwo ithabu-ini ria arwaru aria me guku bururi-ini, no mutugo wa kwanirira namba ya arwaru kuhitukira njira ingi citahitukitio ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niguo thirikari irenda uthire.
The case that was reported by the governor is actually a case that is currently admitted at Mbagathi Isolation Center. And the fact that this gentleman comes from Kakamega County, I think that is why Kakamega decided to report. But we want to appeal to the county governments that we have one central reporting system so that we are consistent throughout our reporting in line with WHO requirements.
Thirikari yugite ati andu 31 mari na murimu uyu ni kuga ati rurenda rwa andu aria mahutanitie nao ni ruraihu, noguo ni ta kuga ati kuria nja andu aria mangikorwo makuite virus ino maya gukorwo mari aingi, na nikio Mukenya o wothe agirire gukorwo ari no baciriri wa gikiro kia iguru.
We are going to need to observe is as the situation progresses and becomes more dire, we will require Kenyans to actually observe self-quarantine. We are now in the process of developing and strengthening how the oversight of self-quarantine will look like and how we can adopt a multi-agency approach in ensuring that Kenyans who are put under self-quarantine are actually adhering to it.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.